Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Clan. Today we'll be looking at how Hedera Hashgraph compares to Ethereum. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell for daily crypto news. Let's compare the fundamental features of Hedera and Ethereum. Hedera Hashgraph is able to process an incredible 500,000 transactions per second. This is significantly greater compared to Ethereum, which can only process 12 transactions per second. Surprisingly, Hedera is able to process far more transactions per second compared to the mainstream payment processors Visa and MasterCard, which can process 24,000 and 5,000 transactions per second respectively. Despite Hedera's mainnet only being active since 2018, and Ethereum launching in 2015, the number of transactions occurring on the Hedera network has surpassed the total number of transactions on Ethereum, whereby there has been over 1.2 billion transactions on Hedera, whilst 1.1 billion transactions have occurred on Ethereum. The rapid rise in transactions on Hedera can be explained due to the use of Hashcraft Technology, whereby information on the network is verified through the gossip protocol, which allows information to be verified faster as more transactions enter the network. This is in contrast to blockchain technology, especially a proof of work consensus, which Ethereum 1.0 is synonymous with, whereby the transaction validation rates are determined by miner nodes, as well as Hedera's rapid transaction rate. It has a flat transaction fee of $0.0001, which is in contrast to Ethereum, which has a liquid transaction fee. On average, Ethereum transaction fees are $19, but transaction fees can get as high as $50. Ethereum's transaction fee rates are determined by the number of users and transactions occurring on the network at a given time, whereby more activity will lead to high transaction fees. This is in contrast to Hedera, whereby its revolutionary Hashcraft technology is able to keep fees low and fixed. This factor indicates scaling differences between the platforms, whereby at its current state, as more entities ultimately use the Ethereum blockchain, there will be limitations in the processing power and fees will be high. This has led to the Ethereum team to implement changes to the consensus mechanism of Ethereum, whereby Ethereum will be moving away from a proof of work consensus to proof of stake. This will result in transaction rates increasing in speed and a decrease in average gas fees. This is Ethereum 2.0. Despite developments in Ethereum 2.0, it's expected transaction rates will dwarf that of Hedera, whereby it is expected that Ethereum will be able to process 10,000 transactions per second. Arguably, the most mind-blowing aspect of Hedera Hashgraph is its energy consumption efficiency. Despite Hedera having substantially less fees and being able to carry out significantly more transactions per second compared to Ethereum and even Visa and MasterCard, Hedera's network uses minimal amounts of energy. On average, Hedera Hashgraph uses 0.00017 kilowatts per hour per transaction, whereas Ethereum uses up to 103 kilowatts per hour per transaction. These figures indicate Hedera's superior efficiency when consuming energy compared to Ethereum and even Visa and MasterCard, which we all use for day-to-day transactions. Both Ethereum and Hedera Hashgraph have partnerships with a multitude of large corporations and even countries. Ethereum has partnerships with Amazon and Microsoft, to name a few. Amazon Web Services have made the Ethereum platform the new open blockchain standard after deciding to add it as an option for its Amazon managed blockchain. Amazon managed blockchain aims to help businesses that want to use blockchain technology for their operations but can't or don't want to develop it themselves. Companies in retail, finance and even energy can execute contracts, share data and perform transactions across multiple entities using the blockchain. Microsoft has built its cloud storage platform Azure on top of the Ethereum platform. The blockchain-based service enables developers to connect and integrate various tools and services in one place, which offers significant benefits to global business operations. Microsoft is planning to build a series of additional Ethereum-based solutions for its clients on the cloud platform. Hedera is partnered with a number of multinational organizations, with many of them on Hedera's board of governance. Such companies include Boeing, T-Mobile, IBM, Google, and Africa's largest bank, Standard Bank. Hedera is also set to work with central banks around the world, including the Federal Reserve and central banks in South Korea and the Bahamas, to power the respective countries' CBDCs. I will link a video I made in regards to Hedera's partnerships with central banks in the description below. Do you prefer Ethereum or Hedera? Do you think Hedera could surpass Ethereum as the #1 destination for smart contract and dApp projects? Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video, we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let us know your views in the comments below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.